So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. You type in a message in Teams. You switch chats for a second, then suddenly that message is gone. Not deleted, just buried somewhere you can't find. If you use Microsoft Teams a lot, this happens more than you think. And it wastes time every single day. But there's a new feature that fixes this completely. Because in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find unsent messages faster on Microsoft Teams using the Draft tab. Firstly, before we begin, let's introduce drafts and where to find it. All you have to do is open Microsoft Teams, then go to the chat section. At the top of your chat list, you now see something new called drafts. This is where Teams automatically saves messages you started writing but didn't send. All you have to do is just click on it, and right away, your chat list is filtered to only show conversations with unfinished messages. Let's try and open one draft. When you click a chat from drafts, Teams jumps directly to your unsent message. No scrolling, no searching, no guessing. It's exactly where you left it. From here, you can finish the message, edit it, or delete it if it's no longer needed. Simple, but very effective. Now, this feature is most useful when you're switching between chats quickly, getting interrupted mid-reply, working in fast-paced teams, or multitasking across conversations. For example, you start replying to a colleague, then another message comes in. You switch and forgot to come back. Now before, that message was basically lost, but now it's saved automatically in the drafts. So instead of checking chats one by one, drafts gives you a single place to see everything unfinished. This means less context switching, less mental effort, and fewer dropped conversations. It's one of those features that seems small but saves you time every single day. It is especially useful if you work remotely, manage multiple conversations, handle customer support or operations, or even collaborate in group chats regularly. Basically, if Teams is open all day, you'll use this. Let me show you a realistic workflow. You start writing a reply to a teammate. Halfway through, you get a notification from another chat or you get distracted, so you switch. Then maybe a meeting starts, then another message comes in. Normally, that first message is gone for your mental radar. But now, instead of trying to remember where it was, you just go to drafts, and anything unfinished is waiting for you there. No stress, no searching. For example, if you are a manager handling multiple conversations at once, you're constantly switching contexts, replying here, checking something there, jumping between chats. Drafts act like a safety net. Nothing gets lost when you switch. If you're in customer support or operations where speed matters, this is even more important. You might start a reply, get pulled into something urgent, and forget to come back. Now you don't have to rely on memory. And even for students or group projects where chats can get messy fast, this keeps your unfinished thoughts organized. And you can actually turn this into a simple system. Think of a draft as a reply later list. Whenever you don't have time to answer fully, just start typing a message. Leave it unfinished on purpose. Now it's saved in drafts. Later when you have time, go back and clear everything in one focused session, and this alone can make your communication way more structured. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. If this helped you, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips like this to help you work faster and smarter in tools like Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.